Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to talk about post-processing framework, which is PPF in EWM. So what is a post-processing framework? Let me explain you. The post-processing framework, which is PPF, provide tool for scheduling, starting and monitoring actions. Determination, generation and processing of action can either be done automatically or with user interaction. So in simple words, a PPF helps automate action in SAP Extended Warehouse Management. For example, when you receive goods and the system can automatically trigger action sending maybe a print command or notification. So it is a way to streamline processes by setting up automatic triggering based on specific conditions. So if I explain you in simple word, PPF action in EWM is an automated process that gets triggered when a specific event occurs. It's like setting up a rule that tells the system to do something automatically. So in today's video, I'm going to show you or demonstrate how you can set up automatic good issue process. Okay. So PPF can be used for many purposes. For example, you can use this for printing. You can use this for automatic good receipt. Use it for notifications, printing, handling unit label, handling unit content, good issue automation as well. So we will be doing good issue automation with the help of PPF today. Before moving further, let me explain you what are the components that you need to keep in mind and what it does and their examples. Okay. So whenever you will be setting a PPF, you will hear the term action profile, action definition, and processing type. Okay. So the first thing is action profile. So what is the action profile? So action profile contain actions definition and the setting for all the action definition in the profile. So the action profile that is used by the application is either hard coded or determined via SAP EWM own customization. Okay. So profile will contain a set of rules or you can take an example of a container. Okay. So that what is the use of that container? It will contain various actions which should run automatically when certain conditions are met. Okay. So it defines the overall scenario when to trigger the action and which action needs to be triggered. And when we talk about action definition, so action definition is the detailed structure for one specific action. Okay. It explains exactly what system should do when action is triggered. And then you have processing type through which we call a method. And if you are using for printing HU label, then you have a specific form that you need to attach. So let me quickly go to the system and show you. So this is the transaction code that we are going to use first. Okay. You need to execute SPPF CADM and need to come to slash SCDL delivery. This is for warehouse request. And now we need to go to define action profile and action. Go inside that. Now you see the action. First is action profile, then you have action definition, you have processing type. Okay. So our requirement is to have automatic good issue as soon as picking is done. Okay. So we need to check outbound delivery. This is for inbound. Good issue will happen in outbound. So we need to select the standard data. PRDO, yeah, PDO02 that will gonna take for outbound delivery order with warehouse task creation. Okay. You need to select that. Okay. This is the action profile that will go under your document type. Okay. Whatever document type that you are using for your outbound delivery, that will go along with this action profile. Now you need to Double click and see this is the object type name, this is your common profile, and this is the description. Go back, go to the action definition. As soon as you click on action definition, we need to go we need to do automatic good issue. Okay, so what we need to search for is post good issue, that is PDO02 post good issue. Okay, you need to make sure it is active. Okay, if it is tick, you need to remove the tick from here and go inside that. You can see it needs to be processed at immediate. Okay, immediate processing, because as soon as you save the document or you just put the document, your PPF should trigger as soon as you have put the delivery. Okay, there's no restrictions, so you need to check these particular settings here in the action definition. Okay, so what you are selecting here, PDO02 post good issue. Now you need to go to processing type, method call, and you need to check whether your method is set with SCWM GM posting. This is the correct method that needs to be set for automatic good issue process. Go back once again. Now you need to go to condition configuration and select your warehouse task, and you need to go to post good issue. Okay, you need to check it is activated or not. Under this, extend this, you will find immediate processing. This is the schedule condition. Okay, now you need to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP SCM extended warehouse. First we'll check the document type. Okay, so good issue process. Then we need to go to outbound delivery document, define document type for outbound delivery process. Okay, this is locked, so we'll check only. So this is our standard data outbound delivery document that we are going to use in our delivery. PDO is the document category. If we go inside that, you can see I have set action profile as PD02. Okay, once again, if I show you under delivery action, this is my action profile. What I show you guys? Yeah, this one. This is what I have set under my action profile. Okay, status profile, that is something where we control certain fields in our delivery. Status profile is what I have taken from the standard as well. Okay, this is maintained, your action profile is maintained. Now you need to go to the cross process setting. Here you need to go to delivery request, warehouse request, and go to actions. Here also you can go and create your action profile and action definition, or you can use this transaction code SPPF CADM. Okay, so now we need to go to configure action scheduling. Here is your condition technique. Now you can set various condition technique in order to put your condition record, how you want that condition to work. Okay, so here is your field catalog through which you can extract the field that you want to use. This is your table. So inside the table, let me go quickly. one by one. So we first need to check what tables we have taken in our access sequence. Our access sequence that I'm using is OD01. If I go inside that, so SAP DLVO01 is my access. If I go inside my fields, so what fields I have taken in this table is DPP action. This, by the way, this is the standard table, so no need to create. If you have this, just simply take this DPP action. This is your action profile. This is your document type. This is your good movement status, and this is your object change. And this is your warehouse number. So you need to fill these particular fields in order to fill the condition record at the end, right? On the basis of this condition record, your system will act upon your action definition, right? Now go to condition type. So condition type that I'm taken for my purpose is ODWT. Okay, create warehouse task. There I have assigned my access sequence OD01. So you need to check and go to maintain determination procedure. Okay, so ODWTP is my procedure. Inside that you will find ODWT as my condition type. Okay, this condition will be used whenever I'm triggering this condition, procedure. Okay, so now this procedure need to be assigned with my warehouse. So my warehouse is EWM1. Okay, EWM1 is what I'm currently using. So this is for my automatic good receive process. This is my action definition. Okay, so if I show you inside this action definition that I'm using is post good issue, which is SCWM PDO 02 post GI. You can find the similar action definition here that I put with the combination of my warehouse number with my document category and my document type that I'm using in standard, that is out for outbound delivery. And this is my procedure. Okay, so when system finds out my procedure document type is document category, it will trigger this procedure. Inside that it will find condition will go to your access, and access will check your fields, and fields will go to your record, and then your action will execute on the basis of your PPF that you have set. Okay, so now I'll show you at the end how to create a condition record on the basis of which your system will activate your PPF. Okay, for that you need to create /n/scwm slash gcmc. Okay, so your application will be DPP for delivery. Okay, scheduling PPF action for of the delivery, sorry, and then you have maintainer and DLVW. Okay, go inside that is your warehouse number. Go to this box and put your warehouse number, that is EWM1. You can see I have already scheduled some conditions here. Okay, so this is my action definition. Okay, this one I'm using currently 02 post good issue. This is my document type and this is my warehouse. NR means not relevant. So posting means your goods movement status is not relevant whether it started or not. System will automatically try to what do you say, do automatic good issue process, but your condition will work upon this condition record. Okay, so I guess it is mandatory to have loading done in order to execute the automatic good process. So in our next session I will show you a different scenario where loading should be your optional entry and system should directly consider automatic good issue without loading. This in this scenario, we are just doing automatic good issue with a loading process, manual loading process. Okay. So this is my outbound delivery that I have just created. Now you can see I have picking not started, packing not started, loading not started, and good issue not started. And we don't have any PPF triggered yet. So we need to go to follow on function, create warehouse task. Okay. I haven't defined any strategies, removal strategy. So we need to manually put the source bin from where we want to take this quantity. Now we need to create and save our warehouse task. Order has been created. We need to confirm and we need to pick HU. Okay. So we'll create A1HU. This is my packaging material. Guess 282384. Now we'll create this HU. Okay. So one HU has been created. We will confirm plus save this order and we'll go back and see picking and packing has been done. So we need to manually do the loading. As you can see, my PPF has been triggered and you can see it is automatically in the good issue process. I hope this video is informative regarding automatic good issue process and how to trigger your PPF into your delivery document. In our next video, we'll learn how you can trigger the automatic good issue process without loading. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.